With its amazing amenities and being just minutes from Orlando's famous attractions, you have to get to know this extraordinary community. Let's take a look around Solterra Resort. Get ready to make yourself at home at this full-service resort community with luxury homes, townhomes, all with private screened-in pools. Isn't that great? Solterra Resort has been called the natural beauty, a place of peace, relaxation, and tons of fun for the whole family. Every amenity you could dream up is right here at your fingertips. The beach-styled pool and lazy river are Solterra Resort Club's crowning jewel. And there's still so much more, including an awesome water slide and play zone, plus with poolside cabanas, Cafe Sol, the bar and grill, and its 5,600 square foot clubhouse. It's a dream come true. It's all right here with the local attractions just a short drive away. Now that's a vacation. Solterra Resort, book your dream vacation today.